Is Cuttle Pro worth paying for, or is it a subscription that you're going to be canceling after the first month? Let's talk about it. If Etsy and Adobe Illustrator had a baby, this. If you don't know already, I'm Audrey from Into Be Designs, and I've been using Cuttle Pro for the past 7 months, and I've been obsessed with this program. But I wanted to go over the platform and whether it's really worth it for you as the end user. So let's go over the pros and cons and see if it's something that you will want to invest in. Now, Cuttle is a design platform for makers and laser users. And while the free version is fine, I really highly think that the pro version unlocks so many potentials and so many opportunities, not only with endless amount of fonts and emojis, but they also have little beta testings that's not available. If Adobe Illustrator and Etsy had a baby, this is what would be created. But here's the thing, Cuttle is only going to work for you if you know exactly what to focus on. Otherwise, it's going to feel overwhelming and you're not even going to use it. If you're brand new to the maker world and you have no design history and you need to learn something from scratch, I highly recommend you looking into Cuttle Pro. This is where you could not only learn how to make templates, but there's already templates there created for you that you could play around with. With all of these templates that are available, it's going to save you hours in terms of designing because it's already there for you. And someone already went through the whole hurdle, aligning everything and providing templates with text so that you could just change out the text and make it your own. The coolest thing is that they're constantly uploading and inviting new Cuttle creators to join the platform, which means that there's just an ever-growing amount of new templates that are constantly being uploaded. And while this is a great platform, if you don't know how to actually use the designing system itself, this is going to be a little bit of a challenge. There aren't that many tutorials out there. So oftentimes you're going to need to sit down and kind of play around with the platform, or you could scroll through their YouTube channel to see if you could find something that would be able to help you answer what you're looking for. If you have a laser as a hobby and you're not really creating products left and right and mass producing, this also may not really be worth it for you. And if you're not really into designing much, this may not even be something that you want to explore. If you are using any other design platforms like Adobe Illustrator or Inkscape, you may find that this is actually not really necessary for you. If you're still wondering whether you should try and subscribe, I highly recommend you doing so with a plan. If you're one to download templates and make some edits on a platform that you already have, this may not even be something that you're interested in. But you may also find that some of the templates that you're finding on Etsy and all of the other platforms, those creators may already be here. As someone who's been using the platform for over half a year, I would highly recommend this platform to anyone that's starting out. I currently have so many subscriptions, but I feel like this could really condense all the subscriptions that I want, especially if I'm just starting out and I don't want to learn multiple platforms. Down below, I have an affiliate link that you could use to get 10% off your first month or your first year of the Cuttle Pro subscription, or you could use Audrey10 at checkout. And I also created a mini course called Cuttle Made Simple that shows you exactly how to use Cuttle and just simplifies everything from ground zero. If you're going to invest in a tool, invest in understanding it as well. That's how you make it worth your money. If you have any questions regarding Cuttle Pro or my new course that's launching called Cuttle Made Simple, list them down below and I will see you on the next one.